I know. It's crazy the similarities that you end up finding. I'm curious if there is a medical device rep out there that wants to connect with a surgeon that they are, they're strangers. Is there a way to use this tool to find ways to connect deeper, like a level that maybe the surgeon cares more about, something specific to them?
Yeah, that's a great question. And that's one of the major use cases of our platform, where you can not only slice and dice the market, but dive into each and every individual physician profile. So, for example, if you go into the tool and you're looking for orthopedic surgeons, you then might want to look for talking points to raise in conversation with those surgeons. So let me quickly, for example, search for the ones who are doing research, so publishing on certain topics. That could be a conversation starter to start talking about recent publication or about clinical trials they've participated in. But there are other avenues you could talk about them, to which medical school they went, their social media presence, their medical society memberships, and so on. But let's go down with one avenue for that example. So let's maybe look for people who are publishing and who are also doing clinical trials. And then you can just jump into one profile. And Kevin, for example, if you're meeting him tomorrow, and then you can quickly check out his publication history and see what he's published in recent years. And you actually can also use that as a tool to find further networks. So you could see his collaborators on certain publications and then quickly jump over to the profile of one of his peers to have a touch point of maybe mentioning that person in the conversation with him. Or you can,
Wow.
as I mentioned, go up and also look for, clinical trials memberships, but also things like where are they certified, in which societies are they a member. So it's really, really rich to give the sales and marketing team a lot of content to talk to those providers about.
Yeah, I love how you've really brought this all into one place. I mean, that literally took us 35 seconds to do what someone could potentially set their Sunday up to spend hours to do in prep for the week. So that is amazing. Now, from a pricing standpoint, I know it's important to you, for it to be transparent for companies out there. What does that process look like?
Yeah, that's a great question. We really try, and it's at the core of our DNA to be really transparent and open, not only about our product, but also about our pricing structure with no hidden costs and unexpected surprises. So we actually have our pricing on our website. You can actually just go there, press on pricing, and then you see exactly what each plan costs. We don't price our customers based on their size, on their revenue, or how much funding they got. We just put it out there and are really fair and transparent about our pricing. We just started $4,800 a year.
Very good.